Welcome to the CA Erwin Data Modeler Report Designer video. Report Designer is a new reporting feature that has been introduced in CA Erwin Data Modeler 9.5. Report Designer simplifies the process of producing reports from CA Erwin Data Modeler. Report Designer has an easy-to-use point-and-click interface to select what information is needed in a report. It also has a report display grid that helps users view reports, sort the results, filter or search information within a report, or print the report. Finally, an exporting component that can export reports to text, CSV, and HTML format. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to export reports to text or CSV format, how to create HTML reports that include diagrams and drill down information, then how to publish HTML reports. Let's begin with exporting to text format. Once we have created a report template, report can be generated in text format by clicking on the menu highlighted here. When we click on Export, Export User Interface appears. It has a separate page for configuring export behavior. If you would like to suppress the repetition of master information with each detail, then you may select No Duplicate option. For example, the information you've selected for entities will be repeated along with each attributes in a tabular representation of report unless you suppress the duplicates. You may select a text qualifier to guard text entries. You can specify a delimiter symbol or select one of them available. Select comma delimited option for CSV output. Now I will demonstrate how to export report to text or CSV format. Open the model for reporting. Open Report Designer. I have opened a set of ready-to-use report templates that are available in install directory. I am selecting Attribute Domain Report and then click on Export to Text Format button. On Report Export interface, you can select a directory where this report will be generated. Also, you can configure the export behavior. I have retained the default configuration that will generate comma separated output. Now press OK. A text report is produced in the CSV format. Now let's go to the next section, creating HTML reports with a hierarchical drill down. Once we have created a report template, reports can be generated in HTML format by clicking the button highlighted here. If you would like to include ER diagrams in the report, they can be selected under subject area. All diagrams of the model will be included in the report unless we select one of the available filters. In order to have clickable hotspots on entities, views or relationships, select drill down information from respective object types under graphical members. Now I will demonstrate how to create an HTML report and browse through the results. For the purpose of demonstration, I will use an existing report template that was created by selecting following options: subject area name, ER diagram name, entity name and definition, 2 user-defined properties of entities, several properties of attributes. Open Report Designer. I have the template ready. Click on Export to HTML button. Here we can specify a directory where report will be generated. Now we can see an HTML report that's organized based on subject areas and diagrams. Here we have the list of subject areas. We can click on the link here and go to the list of ER diagram under a specific subject area. We can click on the link here and go to the list of entities of a particular diagram. We have entity names, definitions, user-defined properties. We can click here and navigate through attributes of each entity. We can open diagrams by clicking on the name that is displayed on the left panel. We can also click on entities and browse through more information. We have a diagram view, a tabular view where we can navigate through the information. We also have a hierarchical view. Now let's see how we can customize the appearance of HTML reports. All display related characteristics of HTML reports are inherited from a template file that can be found in the install directory. However, users can customize following options. In order to bring up the formatting editor, select a desired property in Report Explorer and invoke via the context menu. For each column in a report, header and cells can have different display characteristics. So far we have covered first two sections. Let us see how these HTML reports can be published. HTML reports are organized into multiple files and subdirectories. Index.htm is the home page or landing page for HTML reports. Reports can be shared across a large audience via a shared directory or a web server by placing all these files and subdirectories into an appropriate location. We have completed all three sections: how to export reports to text or CSV format, how to create HTML reports and publish them. That concludes CA Erwin Data Modeler 9.5 Report Designer video. Thank you very much.